Guys, what's up? It's Elena. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy that you're here today because I want to talk about acne scarring. There are a ton of different kinds of acne scarring. We have rolling scars, ice pick scars, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, and the list goes on. For my oily and acne prone skin, I actually deal with a lot of hyperpigmentation and rolling scars. For skin that gets tan a lot quicker than those who don't, we actually are more prone to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, or in other words, those blemishes that acne can leave behind after that inflammation. It's just what we're blessed with. It's something that happens, you know. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation is just an overproduction of melanin after inflammation. So after we break out and it heals, we're left with that little mark on our skin. So it's like a little scar. Without treatment, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation can take up to 2 years to heal. But there are more severe scarring like rolling scars. I have rolling scars from really bad acne a few years ago. That's why I started my channel in the first place, to tell you guys about my skincare journey. So rolling scars are typically something that's caused by deeper acne. So cystic acne, very deep, painful acne. And the scars look like wavy indents on the skin. If you pick at your acne bad enough, it can go that deep and damage that section of your skin, creating that scar. This type of acne doesn't heal on its own, unlike hyperpigmentation. It has to be dealt with some sort of treatment. As I mentioned, I had a lot of acne growing up, and it was just something that I was just so insecure about. It left a lot of scarring. Now my skin is doing really well. There's no active inflammation on my skin. I haven't had active inflammation in so long, but that isn't because I grew out of it. If I completely stopped my skincare routine, they will 100% come back. There are some things that we can do to relieve that scarring. So what are the choices? So we have laser therapy and dermabrasion that we can do at medical spas or at doctor offices, but those treatments can cost from like hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars per session. Not everyone has that kind of money, okay? Even if it's something as important as our beautiful epidermis, I want to introduce to you guys microneedling. So microneedling is a process of slightly pricking the very surface of our skin to boost collagen and elastin of the treated area, and over time smooths the skin of the affected area. These can also be done in medical spas, but around $200 per session. So I want to introduce to you guys the Banisher 2.0 from Banish. I'm so excited to talk about this because microneedling has been something that I have been wanting to do. I don't have to spend a whole lot of money to get that microneedling experience. I also want to thank Banish for sponsoring this video. I want to tell you guys about this little tool right here that you can do at home at literally no downtime. I do this at night. I've seen a lot of microneedling tools on the market. I actually bought the one that you would roll on your skin with a bunch of needles on it. After one use, I stopped that completely because the needle would insert and then rip my skin as it exited. That can actually damage your skin more. So I stopped using that completely. What I love about this is that you insert it straight onto your skin, and then when you pull it out, it exits the same exact way, so it's not tearing your skin and damaging it even more. I do use this at night because you don't want to put any makeup on your skin right after using this or any sunscreen. I like to sleep with it with my clean skin and then wake up and I'm ready to do my whatever on my face. So the first thing that I do is I cleanse my skin. I'm using this all clear mint cleanser that they have. I actually like this because it does not strip my skin. I can use this 2 to 3 times to remove all my product of the day and it doesn't strip my skin. It's actually a really good cleanser. It feels really nice. It's really refreshing. I actually like this cleanser best in the morning, or if you're wearing very little product. If you're wearing a lot of product, I do recommend double cleansing with it. The first ingredient is aloe, and aloe is a beautiful humectant. It's super hydrating. A lot of people use aloe to help with inflammation. So people who get sunburnt, they use aloe straight on the area to kind of calm it down. And then after that, I use the Banisher 2.0. The way to use it is super easy. You fill the cup with 70% isopropyl alcohol to disinfect the tool. You want to let the bristles sit for 5 minutes and let it air dry for 2 minutes and press the bristles into your skin. You want to make sure that that part of your skin that you're pressing into is fully healed. You don't want to press it over inflamed acne because that is going to be very painful. You want to press it into that area about 4 to 5 times and kind of twist and rotate at each press. You don't want to twist and rotate while it's in your skin because that can damage your skin. You want to insert it and then take it out right away, and then twist, insert, and then, you know, etc, etc. Once it's done, you just want to put it back inside the cap with the alcohol to cleanse it. And after you use it, just dump the alcohol, let it air dry again, and then just use this once a week. That's all you have to do, is once a week. Once a week max. I actually really look forward to using this consistently. There are so many success stories with this Banisher 2.0. The results just look amazing after a few months. I really look forward to how this is going to make my skin look in the future with my hyperpigmentation, with my rolling scars. And after the Banisher 2.0, I use the moisturizer, their vitamin C cream. This is a wonderful cream. I think it's so lightweight, and also the first ingredient is also that aloe leaf juice. It has glycerin for hydration. It has rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is full of natural vitamin C, and it contains vitamin A and linoleic acid to balance out oily skin and also help fade those dark spots. But mostly, it's a wonderful way to nourish and hydrate your skin. It contains that ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C. Vitamin C has really helped a lot of people with hyperpigmentation, with dullness of the skin. I will have Banish's information, they're linked down below. Go check them out. See for yourself if this is something for you. I'm really excited to be using my Banisher 2.0. Before I leave though, I just want to insert this one little thing. A lot of people have been reaching out to me through Instagram DMs, on here actually, commenting, and they're just saying how they're having such a hard time with dealing with their acne, and I've been exactly where you are. I know exactly how difficult mentally, how challenging it is mentally to stay strong throughout this time of your acne transition and your acne journey. If you're going through a really hard time mentally, I really want you to make sure that you are still saying very positive things about yourself. I know that it's hard, and I know that sometimes it can feel defeating. You're still beautiful just the way you are. It's just gonna take some time for you to heal your skin. Say those daily affirmations. Don't allow yourself to think all these negative thoughts about you, because you're still amazing exactly the way that you are, regardless whether you have acne or you don't, whether you're dealing with scarring or whatever stage you are with your acne, you will get there. You just have to work hard on your health, your skincare, and you will get there. You will figure something out for yourself, whether it's this, whether it's something else. When I was going through my acne journey, there were a lot of things that I was telling myself, you know, that I wasn't beautiful enough, that no one's going to accept me because of my acne, that I'm not attractive anymore. Those are the thoughts that you do not want to listen to. Acknowledge that they're there. Please replace those thoughts with something more positive about yourself. You are not valued by your acne, okay? DM me on Instagram, message me here, whatever you need. I will try to get back to your messages as soon as possible. Thank you so much for all of the engagement lately, and I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.